show that the equation tan theta is equal to cos theta may be rewritten as sine theta is equal to 1 minus sine squared theta. Hence solve the equation tan theta is equal to cos theta for theta being between minus 180 and 180. So we've got tan theta is equal to cos theta. And we know that tan theta is sine over cos, so we'll replace tan theta with sine over cos. And then if we multiply both sides by cos, we're going to get that sine theta is cos squared theta. And then we know that sine squared plus cos squared is equal to 1. Therefore, cos squared is equal to 1 minus sine squared. And therefore, we have sine theta is equal to 1 minus sine squared theta, which is the required result. Then we now have to solve. Tan theta is equal to cos theta. So sine theta will be equal to 1 minus sine squared theta from part A. This is a quadratic in sine, so we'll make the sine squared go over here and the 1 go over here. So that will become plus sine squared plus sine minus 1 is equal to 0. Right, this quadratic doesn't factorize, so we have to use the quadratic formula. So sine theta will be b, which is 1, so minus b, which is minus 1, plus or minus 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times minus 1, divided by 2 times 1. So that gives me minus 1 plus or minus root 5. That's 1 plus 4. It's plus because it's got a minus and minus. This is why you must substitute in with brackets. Divided by 2. Now, if you look at minus 1 minus root 5 over 2, that's less than minus 1, so there's no solution for sine theta. And therefore, we have to consider that sine theta is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 over 2. That means that sine theta is equal to 0.618, which gives me 38.17. If we draw our South Asian tennis club, it is positive. So we draw our angle in the first and the second quadrant. So it's 38.2. Now we have to solve between minus 180 and 180. So, well, if we go this way around, these negative angles, then we get absolutely no values whatsoever. So we only need to consider that theta will be equal to 38.2 or 180 minus 38.2, which gives me 38.2, 141.8. That's the two answers. So this has been a video to show you how to solve an equation using a Pythagorean relationship. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.